All right, the stream should be up now. I'll try to change some bitrate. Okay, that's working fine. Desktop. Okay, the board is up and running. Display settings. Display. Where is display settings? Okay, everything looks good. I guess so. But I'm not sure which desktop is this cloning into. So in the meantime, I'll fix that first. I hope my audio is working fine. If not, please let me know. I can fix it right away. So this is 2. So 2 should be duplicating 1. Yeah, everything's good now. Perfectly fine. Okay. Hey, someone messaged me, but I couldn't see it. Hey, it's working. What's up, Rahul? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I did some rearrangements of my desk. So currently I have my streaming PC monitor. Previously it was to my left. Now it is to my right. I think I can show it to you. 1 second. So 1, 2, 3, go. You can see my screen, I guess. Okay. So you see this is a monitor I primarily use for my work. The reason why it is in this is how my light is. I don't think my face is needed in this situation, so I'll put my face down. Okay. So that's my main, streaming and office work monitor. What I do when I'm working, instead of getting a neck pain, I would just bring this monitor to here, to this height, so that I can just lean on my. I think I have to show my face. 1 second. Okay, now you can see me. So what I would normally do is, you see this, while I'm working, I'll just bring it like extremely low so that I can sit in a comfortable position, and then bring that monitor right over here. Something like I can just hold it and pull it in front of my main monitor, and I can just lean and work. Because imagine this, you're sitting for almost 8 hours. Of course, you take breaks in between, but still 8 hours. And then night you have to sit again to do some live stream or play some games. So that might bring a lot of load on your upper back and neck, so which I already have. So that's the reason this is how I sit, and this is where my monitor will be. I don't really need to look at my keyboard. I can just type and do things. So I will show. So that's where previously it was here, and now I moved it to my right, so that I can only use one monitor for both my office and my streaming. This is my primary. This is my. Did I zoom in? Yeah, I think I zoomed in. 1 second. Zoop. Oh, this is a lot better. Yeah, this is a lot better. Okay. So that monitor will be exactly sitting over here, and I can just work in this way. Tip, tip, tip. Cool. And what happens next? Yeah, that's it. So I got this new extension, which comes from there, and I have this from India. So that there is another one which will be connected to that wall socket. So I don't really daisy chain those extension boxes. They are different. Yeah, is it? Yeah, this is because of my phone. This is a Pixel 8. I like this phone, but I would not primarily use it for gaming or performance oriented. But for a day-to-day life phone, it's a good phone. But it's not worth the price. Forget it. The camera is awesome. Pixel cameras are good. I really wanted to stream like a POV, something like this, live stream, but it was not really use case. I have to set it this way in order to make it possible, but I can't really see my screen. I thought to keep it in this way. One day I will definitely try doing this. Imagine my the entire stream would be something like this, where you can see everything. It will be fun stream, but for someday. This is my keyboard. This is the mouse I use to control my streaming PC. This is the mouse I use for my, if I connected the wire, that means it's office. If I remove it, it's wireless gaming. This is my office keyboard, and that's my gaming keyboard. It's sitting far away. That's my fan. Ignore it. That's my bed. That's the window. Okay, let's go to the traditional string. Give me a minute. Right cam off. Ooh. So what do you think? So now I'll just bring my chair a little bit up. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this is how I sit while streaming. And when I'm working, I'll lean back and... Yeah, looking at you leaning back on your chair looks comfy. Yeah, I'm still rocking my dining plastic chair, and I feel you about the neck pain. Man, it's really worse. But now I don't really have a neck pain. Thankfully, I lost my neck pain completely while just sitting like this. But I have my upper back pain, so it looks something like this. I'm not really sure if it's my spine or something, but it's not really that complicated. So this is the thing, if I don't stream for like 2 to 3 days, if I only sit like this, I would not get any pain the next day. But most of the time, the pain comes back. So it's kind of a chronic. What? There is so something here. Yeah, let's take this as an example. Open image in a new tab. Dude. Okay. So previously I used to have neck pain right here somewhere, but it's gone because I was sitting like this. But I got a different kind of a pain. The image, let's call it raw. If I increase this, so previously I had somewhere here. It was totally uncomfortable. Whatever I do, I would get pain, but zero pain now. But there is a slight pain to my left side of the spine. And when I do this, I feel like something is holding my... I wanted to like crack it. You know that feeling when you do this and you hear some sound, like cracking your joints? I would like to do that over here, towards my left side. So this is the problem. When I do this, like extend my right hand, I don't feel any pain on the right side or on the center. But if I do the same in my left side, I get pain. The more I stretch, the pain goes from here to like from here. So I tried my best in order to find out what's the issue. The only thing I can found was rhomboid muscle pain. Dude, close it. I don't really know how to spell it. So yeah, somewhere here. Imagine rhomboid major, but imagine it's on the opposite side. So yeah, it's almost exactly the same, but it's not that long. It's like a pinpoint. So that's where my doubts actually... Yeah, I think this one is perfect. I tried this, the same video. Can you guys hear the sound? Can't really hear it. Oh, it's mute. What is that? I didn't really try this. I tried something else. Yeah, that's the one way, but I'm really gotta have to try. I tried everything, but only one thing which worked was just leaning my back. Give it enough rest. Because I have been sitting like this for years. From childhood, of course, schooling, then what, BTech, intermediate, BTech, and now work. So it's been years now. I have to do something. So when I pull my left hand, like trying to reach as far as possible, there is a little bit of pain, but it's so comfortable. When I do this, yeah, it feels good. When I come back, it's gone for like 5 minutes. So that's the reason I'm thinking this is not something to do with my spine, like, you know, a disc bulge or something, but maybe that can be in future. So I have to be careful. Let me put some safety to my eyes. I think I lost the elasticity of my headphones. They are not really that new anymore. Yeah. This is the perfect position, but they just fall. It's fine. So yeah, that's one thing. I hope I can find a cure for it. But when I do this, I don't feel anything. I just don't feel anything. But I have to keep my monitor right straight to me, because if I do this, there is no use of it. I cannot sit like this. I have to be like this. Of course, sometimes if I have to type some special characters, I have to just make a look, but that's a lot better than just sitting like this for hours. I will just bring my chair back. Yeah. Anyway, good morning, Rahul. So what we are doing today, the same thing. Have you tried therapy? Not really. It's expensive here in US to visit a chiropractor or any doctor. I don't really have world-class insurance. I only have catastrophe insurance. That means I pay less for the insurance, but it only covers if I had any worse situation, like an accident or something just drops off on my head. But if I have like minor injuries, like a fever or like some pain over here, they will only they want me to cover till $7,000, 6 lakhs. After that, whatever the expenses I face, they are going to pay for it. So normally people pay 500 per month. I pay 78. There's a lot of difference. So people who pay 500, they're deductible. If you know the concept of deductible, it's something like this. The more you pay monthly, the less deductible you have. That means out of that's the money you have to pay for yourself. After that, the insurance kicks in. So I pay less for my monthly. So people pay 450. I pay 78, exact 78. So they have to pay like 1,000 out of pocket, and whatever happens after 1,000, the insurance company is going to handle it. For me, I have to pay 8,000 out of pocket, and after that, they are going to pay. So if you ask why did I even take that, because it's really secure. If something goes terrible, I might have to pay 20,000 or 15, but that should not be the case. After 8,000, they should be handling it. So I find it fine. And there are a lot of insurance where certain things won't be covered. By the way, how's the IT job market in US? After the year I'll graduate, I'm thinking if I should invest in my own country or to go abroad. So that's really a complicated question, Rahul. It's definitely not good. It's definitely not good. I'm not lying to you. So unless you have like a circle where they got some power, not politically, but IT power, they know a lot of people. That's one way. If you have a gem of a talent, even I know a lot of people who have talent who are still trying to find a job. Some things needs luck. So don't just trust on yourself. Sometimes luck is really important. So it's not easy. Even if you have everything, it's not easy. So I wouldn't say, unless if you can spare like 3 years of your life, even if they are waste, that's fine for you, then yeah, sure, no problem. But make sure you don't really have a lot of debt. I joined a university which isn't that expensive. It's 18,000, 18K. My friends who joined for 30K and 40K as well. So I wouldn't suggest going to those universities unless you specifically want to, or you just love that university. If not for that, it's not worth it to pay 40,000 or 50,000 for a master's degree. There's nothing special in masters. If you don't learn anything in 4 years of BTech, there is nothing you can learn in 1 and 2 years. Cool. You can learn a lot in PhD. That's why it lasts for 4 to 5 years. So the straightforward answer, no. But again, if you are 20 to 21 years old, you should have your own calculation. If you ask me, no. But if you want to come, welcome. So what am I doing today? Yeah, the same Python, the script thing. Let's try to spin it up. I hope I answered your question, Rahul. Did I have my water bottle next? Just by the way, I started my channel 6 years ago. I didn't really start a channel. I just created the YouTube account on exactly May 2020, May 21, 2019. Oh, did I spill some water on this? No. So for my health, I wanted to try online counseling with, thanks for the insight, I'm 21 as of now. Life's kicking. US will kick you in your face. But if you're strong enough, it's fine. I'm not saying that I'm strong enough. No. The meaning I'm saying strong enough is the capacity to take a kick in your face and still continuing. And that needs some financial support as well as some networking so that people can give you some jobs. But forget networking, that's not working anymore. Talent, there are always someone talented, more talented than you. So that's not really a possibility. Financial support. I can't talk about some things on stream, but yeah, if you have good financial support and you think like, okay, I can survive for 2 years without a job, because on average it takes 6 to 1 year on average, unless you are a brilliant student who has a lot of networking and professors love you, they want to provide you job opportunities, that's a different story. But if you are such a person, you would be asking me what to do. I strongly believe that. Okay, where is it? AI editor, no, it's Amazon Auto. Okay. I would say don't really stress about it. Life won't be the same. It definitely something happens for you and will change. Just keep pushing, you will find something. You have to keep focused, learn new stuff. I'm not talking about programming, but always keep your mind open. Maybe you find something which might help you. Why am I formatting the document? Okay, let's give it a try. Python. Oh no, first I have to. I forgot how to activate this. EVNV? EVNV. Yes. There should be scripts and activate. Scripts and activate. Did I miss? Oh, it's VENV. Why is it just removing everything? Oh, okay. Oh, finally it's done. So now Python browser.py. I have it right there. Oh, that's browser. Did I hurt you or did you feel angry? What happened? I don't see any message after that. I'm looking for like a small headphones instead of these big ones. I have to search for some things. I wouldn't want like a traditional wireless, but it's done. So I have these many. So imagine this, if I pull the information from my computer and send those information back to my Indian laptop so that it can fetch things. So I have this, I have this, I have this. So I have all the links, perfectly fine. And using these links, I have to get the, I was hoping I find some unofficial Amazon affiliate link generator. Text link. What do you mean C price? That thing is expensive. What? What package is it using? Does this inside works if I just pass the URL? But last time we checked, we cannot find the link ID. I'm not really feeling sleepy, but my eyes are tired. So I have to run my code in this machine and test it. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. How can I visit Amazon using? I need a Indian VPN. Are there any VPNs in India? No. What is the pricing for this? Is it for Chrome? If it works for Chrome, no problem. Oh, I have to use Firefox only. I cannot use Chrome. Oh, I forgot. I didn't turn on those face filters. But Java, welcome. Now it will work fine. Someone disliked my stream. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to find. Add Urban VPN for desktop. Strange. Very strange. Okay, I had the VPN turned on. I don't know what to provide you with advanced VPN protection, including anti-phishing and malware security features. We may collect certain in-browsing information. It's fine. I think India is going to be paid, most probably. Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay. I forgot what was the password I set for this. Oh, sorry. Let me do this in the other stream. I don't remember the password. Looks like it. I don't know if that's the right password or not, but looks like it. Yeah, that's the right password. I got the link. Perfecto. So now what I'm supposed to do is I open this link. Let's say I open this link. What will happen? I got it. So I need these information. So for a given link, I need this information. So I'll be opening an inspect element and just copy the dummy division. Where is it? Oh, my bad. Sorry. Where's the super parent? Yep, this is the one, I guess. Center call? What is center call? Where is the image? So this is I saw the image somewhere. Yeah, this one's the image. Okay. Does it have an ID or something? All. So I got a lot of information. Is this one? No. Is it this one? No. Yeah, all right, no problem. So I might need to just commission rate 1%. Why were the commission rates dropped so much? Okay, now what should I normally do? I get this, I press this get link and it would generate me a link. That's the idea of it. Okay, given this is the link, I have to open this in this browser itself. How should I do that? I already have a browser running in my PC, so that's not really possible. Let's get the entire HTML, which has all these. So yeah, there are these two or the ultimate one, which I want. It says ID PDD and then the left center call. No, I need left call and center call. Copy element. Now I paste it somewhere here. Not really here. Affiliate page. Why is this in Java? There is a ton of JavaScript inside this. So yeah, there's a right call. Inside right call, I can just find this div, and I think I can ignore right call. I need left call. Yes, this has the image block. And inside left call, I'm supposed to enter an image. Where the hell is that? I think this is inside this. And this, and it should. This looks like an entire iframe. It is what it is. So I'm not going to worry about it. So let's see an image tag. What is this? This is not the right one. Ignore it. I might need to just look at the browser and see the URL of it. So this URL starts with image wrapper, and then there is an src. We open image wrapper. There is a ton of image wrappers, I guess. It has image wrapper ID. So based on that ID, yeah, there are two IDs. So yeah, this is a document, and inside document there is an image tag. I am supposed to just get this image. Yeah, that's the right image. So yeah, this is where I get the image. It should be inside ID tag wrapper. All right, so browser, after getting all the links, get product image. I think I have to write, yeah, in snake case, forgot Python standards. Definition, get product image. You can just do this, transform to snake case. So first I need to find the, what should I define it? If I run this in Firefox, I would definitely need the entire links. So the same code can be executed in that part of the code. So I think that's fine. I'll just try to run this for now. So what is it? Get product image, and what will it do? So yeah, this is the ID, and then image div ID equals to this. This is the ID, and inside that I need to find the entire new one. Okay, so where is the attribute for that? Playwright browser page. Page is going to be, what is this type context for it? Page. It's going to be just page. Wonderful. Don't we have a package for that, bro? It's going to be page, and yeah, that's it. Page dot. Can't I find like an import statement for this? I think I can do this stuff easily in TypeScript or Node.js rather than this one. Yeah, good stuff. All right, let's move to ChatGPT and go to TypeScript. Should I continue with Python or should I move to TypeScript? I wanted to try this Python thing, but it's maybe I'm trying too much of TypeScript. I'm trying to type TypeScript inside Python. That's not the proper way to do things. I think it's better to continue. So this is the page attribute. It can be any. Even I don't have any. Okay, whatever it is, page dot. Should have that. Page 2, which is string. It doesn't even have str. Yeah, it has str. Okay. Man. You know what? I give up. I'm going to Node.js. Why would I go to Node.js when I have this? So my approach needs to be explicitly draw. So there are the core modules should be fetch deals. This can be done from my PC and will be sent to India laptop. Laptop opens the browser. So it will open the browser. It will just get it, download it, basically get the entire information which it needs, and generates a video. And that generation part can be done in Python. So I cannot use Golang for this. Golang is not really made to be run for using Playwright. Some things are meant to be done in Node.js or Python. Python would be better in this case, but I'm just unable to type it properly. So let's say page. How can I give it a type? Where is this page coming from? Playwright dot. It says returns page, but I would like to import that page from Playwright dot API import page. Okay, is it going to be working now? Playwright. Okay, seems like it's working. Page dot query all selectors. No. Yeah, let's just whiteboard. It will be a lot faster. Chatgpt.com. Thank you. Using that ID, I need to get to that div and inside it, there is a image tag. If there are many image tags, all these things can be done easily with AI, so not a big deal. Okay. If it is none, it's a string or none. So yeah, let's try str or none. Manthan Darji. Manthan. So I'm so sorry, Manthan. Welcome to the stream, Manthan. Hello, good morning. I'm sure you're from India and it's morning in India. Show my face. Oh, I didn't turn on that thing. Beginner's mistake. I have this channel for almost 6 years now. This is the 6 years anniversary. I started the same channel in 2019, May 21st. I wasn't really streaming or uploading any videos. I was just turned on the channel. Welcome to the channel. There are a lot of cool stuff. I would like to show it to you. But if you have any questions, if you joined the stream in order to ask something, just let me know. There are a lot of cool commands. Show my face. As you are new to the channel, I would like to have a party for you. Celebrate. Back to gaming. This is just an introduction. There are other cool stuffs even you can do as well. There are a lot of stuff. So everything is built by me. Of course, I use tools. Not saying I have built the Thanos filter myself, but no. Everything which is being controlled is done by me. Relangi Mama is my bot, written in Golang, TypeScript, and a little bit of Python, I guess. No, Golang and TypeScript, no Python. I don't really enjoy writing Python, so that's another case. But yeah, image URL. Return. Did I spell it wrong or what? Yeah, I'm returning this. Return. What's the problem? Is it working fine? Oh yeah, this. I didn't really complete the sentence. Okay. str or none. It's still having issues. So it's done. Okay. So Manthan, do you have anything to say? Do you want to talk about something? Hey, on which project you are working on? Finally, you're starting to ask questions. There are a lot of cool projects I have done, and this one is the final project. After that, I'm going to do some DSA, data structures and algorithms. So this project is a little bit ambitious, and I wanted to give it a try. This won't work for too long, but I just wanted to give it a try. So the project is this. Where is my browser? So the project is this. I have an affiliate account in India. So it was working fine as long as I was in India and active. But now I wanted to automate these things, but also not get banned for doing those. So I'm getting all the links, IDs of today's deals, let's say, and then I'm just web scraping my affiliate links for that deals. And I'm going to generate a video using AI. I already have decent experience with AI. I just wrote an AI editor myself. I didn't really create a new model. I was doing existing models open source. I have two PCs. So in one PC, the AI will be running. And using that, I'm going to generate a short 10 seconds videos of that link, just like a product, let's say a deal, maybe like 20% off or something, and the link. So that I'm going to post them on all weird social media platforms, and I can get some links or clicks, sorry, not links, so that I can keep my affiliate account active. That's the only expectations out of it. Yes. I have done a lot of cool projects, Manthan. If you stay for long, I can explain them. If you want, I can explain them as well. No worries. Yeah, you can give my channel try. There is a speak command, there is other cool stuff you can try. Even I forgot what are those. You can talk to Railing Mama. I would award you certain points for being on my stream. As of now, everything is free. But if you want to know your points, you can just type exclamation points, or else you can just go to my website. I'm not promoting my website, don't worry. You can just go to my website, go to YouTube, and you can search, is this you? Manthan Darji. And that's an AI profile picture. So you have joined on May 21st, 2025, and this is the last comment. Okay. Emojis are not encoded, so don't worry. So this is your first stream, and this is the last stream you have attended. But maybe if you join tomorrow, there will be a new thumbnail. So this was written in Hugo and Alpine JS. So these are all my viewers. These are the top viewers: Siddhan, Satyam. This is myself, Iconic. These are the new viewers. Anshul and Paradox joined yesterday. Yeah, not yesterday, like my last stream. I didn't really stream. I didn't stream yesterday, but I streamed on day before yesterday. These are my oldest viewers. I had a database of my previous 2022 streams, but I lost it. This is the final one. There are a lot of cool stuff you can do. I do write some blogs, but you can explore my site if you want to. But yeah, there are other cool stuff. You can use the speak command. You can control what appears on my face. If you type put Iron Man with an exclamation put Hulk, also not Hulk, Iron Man, Ice, Fog, Joker, Batman, those would appear on my face. You need to use put, exclamation put. The same exclamation put space Iron Man. I will let you figure it out. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, put space Iron Man. I didn't think this would be this difficult, but people were actually using it fine. Yeah, see. So this was a bit contradictory. Controversial. My bad. Some people liked it. Some people just hate when I put these things on. So if you want to remove it, you can just type the same command again, and it will be gone. Unless if you want me to do it, that's another story. And there's another cool thing. If you like my stream, something will happen. There are a lot of cool things, man. I have built all this myself. So if you like my stream, something will happen. So that's what happens when someone likes my stream. And if you remove the like or just dislike my stream, something else will happen. Give it a try. I'm just going to take a photo. So that is what is going to happen if someone dislikes my stream. As you disliked it, YouTube would think like this is a bad stream, so I would just request to remove the dislike. If you like my stream, you can just like it, but so that's what happens when someone likes my stream. I'm just going to take a photo of your comments so that it would make my day. Yep. So everything, all code was built while I was doing live stream. I normally live stream every day, mostly every day, 2 hours max. Yeah. What am I doing? Yeah, this will get the links. So far so good. And then I have to get the image. That's fine. I got the image. Now, even I forgot what are the other things. Yeah, Railangi Mama is my bot. As of now, you have sent 10 messages. So you see that text. I think I have to move it a little bit up. Way too low. This one, leaderboard. I didn't realize that it's way too low. I'm just going to bring it a little bit up. It's way too up. Can you guys see the screen now? Yeah, that's fine. Small adjustments doesn't hurt anyone. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks neat. Are you working professional or a student, by the way? I am a working professional. Did someone dislike my stream? Whoever disliked my stream, I curse you that your Wi-Fi would... Thank you. I just disabled those filters so that I can fix these things. But yeah, this has been fixed now, so everything is turned on. If you're trying to do like and dislike thing, you can try it now. While I'm using OBS, those filters will be turned off. Just some rules has to be set. Put Batman. I have Iron Man, Batman. Thanos is exclusive for me. Ice, Joker. I don't know what are the other things I have. So these were actually implemented a long back, and people didn't. Some people liked it, some people didn't. So what I did, I just stopped working on those because most of my viewers didn't like it. So there is a separate thing for Spider-Man. If you type exclamation Spider-Man, something will happen. I actually forgot about it. The moment you have sent put Spider-Man, I just recalled it. So yeah, just type exclamation Spider-Man. I'm waiting. Come on. Exclamation Spider-Man. You don't have to type like put Spider-Man, just exclamation Spider-Man. Put command is something used to put something on my face. So there are other cool stuff, but I kind of forgot from all. Hey, someone liked my stream. Thank you. If you're just trying to play like and dislike thing, it's fine. But if someone else has, yeah, I forgot there are other cool stuff. Normally I would normally note down things in my notepad, but I lost. It was in my laptop, and I don't really have my laptop right now. But I decided I actually wanted to have all my commands listed in this on my website, YouTube, chat commands. I think I have covered all this. Yeah, you can try frog. That's a cool stuff. You haven't tried speak command yet. There are points. Yeah, the Spider-Man thing, that's not added in here. So like, dislike, that's done. Yeah, you can try the speak command. That's the final thing. There is another cool stuff. If you want to try that, that's another thing. But yeah, you can definitely try the speak command.
Manthandarji says, hello world.
You liked it? So everything, whatever you've done until now was written in Golang and TypeScript. So now I'm going to get, so I'm done with the photo. I need to get the title. Get product title. So this should be in snake case.
Manthandarji says, crazy brother.
Thank you so much. Brace yourself. Thanks. I hate that sound. So even I forgot about that. So there are cool stuff, but I have to keep a note of them. So let me just start doing that right now. The notepad, I'll just have it here. So there is Spider-Man, which I didn't update in the Spider-Man. There is Kiss. Have you seen Party? I think I have shown you Party. Yeah, I have shown you Party. Yeah. So this will have page. Yes, there are certain viewers who would enjoy that sound. But there are Iconic, Jagdeep Singh, they absolutely hate that sound. So Party is exclusive for me, so that you guys would not spam it. So this is something like this. I think you have already saw it. Celebrate. There are few other things which I think I forgot about it. I think there is welcome, there is buy, but I don't really know how to trigger them. Let me see in my machine. I work on this stuff, but I just don't use it and I forget most of the things. Let me see. Yeah, there is welcome, there is dumb. You can try dumb, but I'm not sure if it will work or not. I stopped working on those things. So exclamation DUMB, dumb. I don't know if it would work or not. I don't think, yeah, I maybe disabled it. So these all commands were also developed while I was streaming. Yeah, dumb, welcome. There should be another. The actions are there, but I think I didn't find the right sounds or right image so that I can show it on the screen. Probably that is the case. Yeah, there are other cool stuff. So if you subscribe, something will happen, but I'm not sure. So before, if you didn't subscribe, wait for 1 minute. Go to your account settings and turn on publicity subscribe, public subscribe, so that I can get an alert for you. It's a good alert. There are other alerts, but I kind of forgot what were those. I can fix them, but the top priority now is this. Get product titles page. So using this page dot wait for an event, wait for a selector. I'm supposed to select this text. Where is it? That's a straightforward text. Okay. So what do you think? I think it's not a good idea to just reveal everything I have in the channel on one day. But yeah, I'm apart from those commands, I'm an entertaining person. If you want to talk about anything, just let me know. I'll drink some water in the meantime. Water. Are you getting any noise in my mic? I have a fan. Not as a human fan, but the fan which blows some air. It's a bit loud for today. I expected that to be silent. So I got this and then I get image title element. Yeah. So I have a normal bottle which is way near my bed. It's right there. But as I'm streaming, I can't go to that spot. So I normally maintain two. One is a regular bottle, which what everyone uses. Did someone dislike my stream? I'm doing all this, and yet you dislike my stream. So I'm going to curse you. Whoever disliked my stream, if you better not like my stream. If not, you will face FPS drops. You will face Wi-Fi issues. Thanks for the like again. Thank you so much. And this water bottle contains a lot more water than that primary water bottle. So I can just fill it up while I'm here instead of going down, collecting my water bottle. Someone is trying to play some games, so it's fine. If you're enjoying the stream, that's what I want. Title text equals to each down. Selector hashtag product title. Saved from Curse, yeah. I'm just joking. I'm just selected. I have that, and then what tag is it? This is span tag. Get the content inside this span tag. I know how to write this thing, but I'm just too lazy. Straightforward. Get the selector and then script. Oh, this is how I do it. Cool. Wonderful. Title element. It should be title element rather than title. Okay, this will return string. str. Okay, that's done. So what are you into programming or are you into games? I do play games. I play Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG, Battlefield, mostly PC games, multiplayer, and I sometimes play City Skylines. So this is my gaming phone. Show my face. If I am tired from my work, I would normally do gaming so that I can just have some fun before I go to sleep. So this is the phone I use for playing games. I do play games on my PC as well, right? just like I said, Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege. And this is my primary phone. Oh, you're in your first year CS student. So are you interested in programming, or you just took CS because your friends took it? And so what is the true reason? I got the yeah, there's one more thing. There's one more thing. Most of the times I forget what screen I am on. So as of now, I'm not showing you my screen. I'm just having my face. So if you want to see my screen instead of my face, you can type exclamation screen. Exclamation SCREEN. Oh, cybersecurity. I have no. I did my majors in programming, so I primarily stay in programming. I don't really have much knowledge on cybersecurity. Yes. So a lot of my viewers hated that when I just turn on my face and I just forget sometimes. So they wanted to have the control so that they can manually switch from screen to face. If you want to switch to my face again, just say exclamation face. That will take you back to my face. I got the title. What's the next thing? I need to get this section. How about I can just take a screenshot of it? I think that would be a lot better. You have already got 30 points. But if I recall it, I can just say back to gaming. Back to gaming. And I forgot I should not speak anything before back to gaming. So thanks for joining the stream. If you like it, consider subscribing it. If you don't like it, just tell me what you didn't like so that I can improve for my own happiness. Thanks. Previously, it used to be 3 kisses, but people absolutely hated the third one, so I just made it to 2. So this is my ultimate plan. Instead of scraping all these things, why can't I just take a screenshot of this element? This is the one which has it. I thought this is the image. Oh, that's the second image. So I need this screenshot, and what is the next one? Why people are not here? I'm loving things doing this. I don't really know. So the thing is, I lack consistency. This has just been 3 months where I've been my most consistent. So this was the problem. What was your name? Manthan. Hey, thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. If it's you, no problem. Enjoy your fun. So I started my channel in 2019, but it was just nothing. And in 2021, during COVID, I started live streaming. I had 40 subscribers, then I took it to 1,500 or 1,600. I enjoyed those days. People were actually watching that time, and then I moved to US for my studies, and I didn't really stream for 2 years, and the content just dropped, viewership dropped. Basically, my channel became dead. So now, after I got a job, I just started streaming again. It's been 3 to 4 months where I try to stream almost every day, some form of content. Sometimes I stream coding videos, sometimes I would just stream me playing some games. So I just realized that let's just have some fun. It doesn't matter if you watch or not. If you watch me, I'm going to talk to you. If not, I'm going to just continue my programming stuff. So I just decided the moment I sit on my computer, I'm going to stream. If not, I'm not going to stream. So if I play a game, I would stream. If I just write some code, I would stream. That's the motivation I have. And someday maybe I can get like 2 to 3 viewers, and I can have like a fun interaction before I go to sleep. Cool. Yeah, I didn't really spend much on this streaming equipment as well. Everything is either brought from India, or I just got things from cheap. So get screenshot. Oh, I had this. I forgot. Yeah, this is the one. Did you type? Yeah, okay. Respect. Where is the GIF? Dude, there should be a GIF. The moment I saw this emoji, the salute emoji, I recall this. There should be an alert named respect where it would have Captain America like saluting that, but I don't know. Oh, respect. That's, you can also use it. Now you have understand the trick. Whatever I have it, you guys can also use it. Where is the 1 second? Let me just try. I think the URL got kicked away for some reason. I have the GIF. It was not attaching it for some reason. I think I know the problem. I really have a bad memory. So there is nice. I don't know if that would work or not. Can you try nice? It does have it. There is the URL, but why that didn't work before?
Nice.
Yeah, there are some things you can definitely try. So this thing should definitely work. I have no idea why that didn't work. It should have the my main concern was it should be showing the Captain America's GIF. Let me try one last time. Respect. It's working now. I haven't done anything. So yeah, there are some other good stuff. I really enjoy Spider-Man. Previously it was spammed a lot. So that's why there used to be some other things. There should be an actress who would just dance. There is dance, there is Spider-Man, there are other stuff. Yeah, you can dislike it. No. I said I used to have dance before. Mahendra Chowdhury, what are you making? Welcome to the stream, Mahendra. Show my face. Show my face. Don't embarrass me in front of new viewers, please. Welcome to the stream. I am a programmer and a gamer. I just build random projects. So what I'm currently doing now, to answer your question, I'm going to fetch the today's deals out of Amazon and then use AI, which I have running in my machine, that would generate some 5 to 10 second videos. And it would attach my affiliate link to them and post it on Instagram, Threads. Respect. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You have started using the commands. Respect. So yeah, Mahendra, that's what I'm doing. Your name sounds you understand Telugu. If you understand Telugu, I'm also Telugu. But if you're not, then fine, absolutely fine. We can continue in English. There is a reason I'm speaking in English because I have wrote some AI which would edit my videos after I'm done with my stream. The moment I stop my stream, the AI kicks in and it's going to take the whole video which I am currently recording. It would last like 2 hours, so it would edit that video, generate the highlights so that I can come back tomorrow and see if I have any meaningful content. Congrats on your 40 points. So Mahendra, to answer your question, what I'm doing now is I'm just picking all the deals for today, generating some videos or Instagram reels so that I can upload them on videos or platforms so that I can get some clicks on my Amazon affiliate account so that it won't die. I'm not really making this to earn some money. If I earn it, nice. But if I don't, it's fine. So I wanted to try this out for a long time. With the previous projects I worked on, I got some experience on how to utilize AI power. So that's what I'm doing now. I hope I answer your question. There are other cool stuff you can do on my channel. If you want to know, just leave a comment. If you don't like what you're watching, I'm so sorry to disappoint you. You can just leave a comment that I didn't like these things so that I can improve on them. Peace. Back to gaming. I do play games, by the way. Capture screenshot. Cool. Happy. I also do vibe code. If I know certain things how to do it, I would just straight out feed it to AI. I have an ID. I would like to take a screenshot. Are you guys still here? Mahendra? If looks like you didn't really like something on my channel. So this is the sector element dot screenshot. That's it. Just screenshot. Interesting. Yes, I do stream daily. Yes. So I normally, if you're into programming, I do Golang, TypeScript, and my last favorite language is Python. If I would do any, I see you deleted your comment, but that's fine. So I'm going to stop talking. I didn't know there is a straightforward function named screenshot. That would help me a lot. So I got the screenshot. That's absolutely fine. Element screenshot. So I have to just return the ID, and that would give me this. So I want this entire division, which is, I think it's left call center call. Yeah, this one. Does it have the entire ID? Yes. The Relangi Mama, the bot you're watching, the filters, the commands, the speak command. I know you haven't really tried all those commands, but if you tried it, you would at least appreciate it. So yeah, all those commands are built while I'm on live streaming. Those commands were built using Golang. Yeah, most of the things I would just do on live. Even the AI editor was also, I have done it during the live. And I have got excellent feedback and suggestions on how to do certain things from your viewers as well. So the AI code, there is, I also do peer programming where let me just show you. So you see this AI and AI old, that's the code I wrote. And you can see this one was written by a person named the guy who codes. So if you contribute, or not really contribute, if you want to program with me while I'm live, you can just do it and just leave your own footprint. So there is a person named the guy with code. He didn't really join the stream today, but normally he would come. There are a lot of cool stuff you can do on my channel. If you want to try, I can just list out some commands to you, or else you can just type exclamation CMDS. It's going to tell you what to do. So what am I doing? Yeah, I'm taking a screenshot. So my idea is, instead of scraping all this information, why can't I just take a screenshot of this entire thing? That was my idea. So let me try taking a screenshot of this component, and we'll see. I'm not sure if it works or not. It should be CMD or CMDS. Let me see. Where is my Firefox? Are you guys seeing my Fire? Oh, this is my Firefox. My bad. blazingmain.com. This should load up my site. I don't know why it's taking too long. Where can I see all the commands? You should be seeing those here. You don't have. I don't expect you guys to come. I'm at your website. You can just open chat comments. I don't really expect you guys to visit this, but if you want a direct link, that CMDS needs to work. Let me try it on my phone. I think I don't really recall the right command of it. But you already know most of the commands, Manthan. I'm going to call you Darji. I like how it sounds. I think maybe I have disabled the command. I am not sure. Let me see. I have all my commands in Mongo database, so that if I reset my PC, that would still have all the commands. I'm feeling a lot thirsty today. So let me log in, please. Can you? Oh, due to this, I understand now. Does it take me to google.com or Google India? Is it turned on? No. I think this would work fine here instead of doing that way. Can you please show me my databases, global, YT commands? X Discord block. Oh, I don't really have a thing called command, so let me up. I thought I had one, honestly. So yeah, I can just add one more insert document. It should be keyword. Hey, thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Keyword CMD. What is the value? List of all commands will be here. HTTPS. Thanks for the like. Someone is using Iron Man. Yeah, I can see. Man, I got 5 likes. Someone disliked my stream. I'm sure it's Manthan. You're trying to have some fun. No problem. Thanks for the 5 likes. Makes my day. Thanks. Let's celebrate. Celebrate. You got 5 likes. So what is the URL for those? It should be. I moved this somewhere. So let me bring it back to screen. Did I move it in here? No. Where is my? Oh, it's right here. Should be. Hey, thanks for the like. You're just having so much fun, aren't you? My Firefox just went right over here. You can just see I'm trying to bring it out.
Siddhant OTA says, I'll talk less, listen more today.
What? Why do you decide to do that thing? That Thanos face was very good. So Mahendra, there are a lot of cool stuff you can do. So I didn't want it to just, just drop everything at your face. So that's why I didn't explain a lot of things on my stream. But yeah, if you like my stream, something will happen. If you dislike, something will happen. There is speak command, there is celebrate, there is party, there is respect. So respect. I'm just trying to get the link of this. So yeah, there are other cool stuff you can do. There is one other fancy thing. I don't think you saw it in any other YouTube stream. Oh, thank you. So you can do this. If you're into programming, you can try this out. Thank you. Manthan, is that someone subscribed? Gopal D? I can't really see that name. Gopal D. Thank you for the subscribe, Gopal. It feels good. I actually thought not to stream today. Siddhant, do you know that? I thought it's almost 10:20. Do I need to stream today? It's almost done. But I'm glad I did stream today. Hey, Jagdeep saying welcome. Looks like people actually got up today. So yeah, thanks is exclusive for me. I think you can use it for kiss. If you want to send a kiss, just type exclamation kiss. Jagdeep, welcome to the stream, man. I got a subscriber. Where is it? Gopal? I saw the name on my stream. Siddhant would love that. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Enough. That's the sound, especially in my headphones. It's something. It's like surround sound. I'm straight, man. Can I do kiss thing? Kiss kind of a thing. I can. It's fine. So there is another cool stuff you can try. I don't know if that would work or not. I can't. Okay, got it. So I don't think you have seen such thing. Yeah, screen. Thank you, Manthan. So if you follow on my Instagram, don't follow. If you like a reel or kiss is the best command we have. I understand. I enjoy it. I enjoy it too. And especially when Iconic is here. Iconic truly hates it. And when Iconic is here, I would just love to use that kiss command so that I can just annoy him. So guys, if you want to try something new, I would want you to go to my Instagram. Just type something, just comment out something on my live, on any of my reel, and come back to the stream right away so that you can see an alert that you have sent a comment on my Instagram. I'm not promoting my Instagram. I don't really use Instagram in my own account anyways, but give it a try if you want to. So I developed it thinking that would be useful, but turned out it's not that useful. So what am I doing here? Yeah, I was trying to copy paste those links. So the link, go here, check commands, paste it. Okay. Siddhant, has left a like on my Instagram. Did you? Oh, that looks like it still needs some improvements, but it's fine. You can see Siddhant OT Hey has left a like. So Gopal has. So Gopal, thanks for the subscribe, but would you send some messages so that we can have a conversation? Where is? So just insert it. Gopal, are you Bopal? Gopal, are you still here, Gopu? So CMD has been added. Give it some time. It's going to refresh and it should get it. It's left on Instagram. So yeah, it needs some work, but I have abandoned it. So that would take. I have to reset those database. 1 second. I kind of forgot what command that is. No. I'm not buying phone. I'm just working on those Amazon affiliate things. I already have 2 phones. One for game, one for like day-to-day life, one for gaming. I would not like to buy a new phone. 1 second. Where is my coding? These are all my projects. Stream assistant. What is stream A? Delete the streaming. Oh, this. I would need those. Board alerts. Yeah. Open this. There should be main. Yeah, main. There should be refresh. Refresh Mongo. That's the command I'm supposed to use. All right. It's fine. I forgot things. HTTP. I even forgot the IP address of my machine. 236, I guess. Is it 8,000 or 3,000? How can I forget such things? 3,000. Okay. 3,000. Refresh Mongo. I hope this doesn't crash. I think it's crashing. Did it crash? It's working fine. I think probably I'm using a VPN and it's struggling. So let me just open some other browser.
Svarup says, do you also work in the tech industry, or is content creation your main focus?
Someone who is...
Manthandarji says, can you find a girlfriend for me?
Dude. So sorry, I was just trying to find... I don't know why that got triggered. So no worries. Let me read those comments. कल से CI/CD पाइप सेट कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं GCP स्विच के नहीं होता है environment से. I am having a tough time reading the Hindi, but I'll come back to you, Jagdeep. So Siddhant, hey, by the way, how are you expose the port to the internet in your India machine? I didn't do that. I'm using a custom VPN, which I have hosted so that only I can communicate with. So Swaroop, show my face. I'll first answer your question. Do you also work in tech industry? Yeah, I'm a professional.
Siddhant says, can you find me a girlfriend too, please? White girl from US.
I was about to say something, just wait for me. So Swaroop, sorry for answering your comment late. So two things. Yes, I do work. I do have a full stack, developer job, and no, my content creation is not my main focus. I'm just doing this as a hobby. I enjoy doing this. I always wanted to do a live stream so that I can enjoy programming and also talking to people. So yeah. Anyway, the second thing is I'm really impressed that
Jagdeep Singh says, I also need a white GF man. Please manage.
Yes, I was about to give you some explanation. Wait. So Swaroop, you are the first one on my entire channel, which I started streaming in 2021. You are the only one person who has left a comment and started using speak command as his first comment. Everyone, I mean, yeah, it's not a bad thing to just use normal comments, but as a first comment, that means you are watching my stream, you started knowing the speak command, and that was your first comment. So respect. I think I said so. Respect. I think this is the same. Yeah. Thanks for doing that. It feels good. So next. So Manthan, the moment you said you want to have a girlfriend, I just recalled the exact same comment which Siddhant left. Do you think that's the right time to use it? So yeah, even Siddhant, when he first joined, he wanted like, can you find me a girlfriend? And then Jagdeep, I expected he would just send. I expected him to also do the same, and he did it. But Jagdeep is a next level person. He didn't want a girlfriend, he wanted a wife. Do you think I just have women in my pockets and I can just toss them to you? Anyway, Swaroop, welcome to my stream. I'm really happy today. Celebrate. I got one new subscriber. I got few new people to the channel. It feels good. Feels good. Back to gaming. 236. I think it's 236. Let's see. Yeah, this is working fine. Happy? Pay your happy taxes. Man, refresh Mongo. Is this the right URL? Refresh. Maybe I didn't.
Mahendra Chaudhary says, this speaking mechanism is up.
Thank you so much. Mongo has been refreshed. So let's try using the command now.
Manthandarji says, any younger sister of your wife? I know I am going personal.
Any younger sister? I'm not really married, bro. I don't really have a girlfriend as well. I mean, I don't look that young. I understand that I look old, but I'm not that old. Okay, let's try the new command. I'm not sure if it will
Siddhant
work or
Oda
not.
says, he is as single as us LMAO.
Yeah, I am. Why is it not? See, it's working. It's working. It's working. So again, Siddhant, I hope Satyam and the others people were also here. Is it Santosh? Santosh, Satyam. See, finally it's working. I didn't have to reset my backend. I just have to update the MongoDB and just write one, visit a URL, and whatever the command I have newly added, it would just work right away. See, isn't that impressive? And you guys are focusing on, can you find me a girlfriend, please? Especially white girlfriend. Yeah, we understand. Why would you spam comment? Ah. So I'm closing this. So yeah, I wanted to take a screenshot of this element where it looks like I can't have it. So there should be a JavaScript command for it. JavaScript. Oh, this is Chrome. Where is my Firefox? JavaScript to take a screenshot. Frog. Yeah. You know exactly how to exploit my thing. You know that even you don't have to use the put command. You can just type frog and it would work. So that's how lazy and you are, but I appreciate it. So when any new people join, I would just say you have to use exclamation put, but you know that it would work anyways. It's just an if statement. If contains this.
Mahendra Chaudhary says, you just remind me this line, I'm old but not that old, I'm young but not that bold.
I don't really where is that? Is it from a movie or something? Put I think it's called ice. But I don't know if ice is activated or is it alive or not. So you can try it. This is not how I want it now. Alright, let's stick to the original stuff then. So in this, I get the title is done. I need to get this content. How can I do it? What? Where is the lightning deal stuff? So I can just take a screen, just get this one component. Oh, there's this one. This doesn't really have an ID. This one has an ID. Apex Desktop. What is that? I don't know why that got triggered.
Mantandarji says, what if I spam? Ha ha ha. Siddhant Oda
Yeah,
says,
I can.
You can search to NA?
Yes.
Using Control plus F.
Of course I know Control plus F, Siddhant, please. Come on. So, as you're new to the channel, it's fine to have some fun, but when I'm having a meaningful conversation, I would just expect you not to spam. I want you guys to have fun how much ever you want, so I don't mind you enjoying my stream. But let's say if I'm explaining something to a viewer or if someone new joins, if you continually spam, they might not like it. But yeah, you're free to have whatever fun you want. And I can just disable things in just 30 seconds. If my code works, it will be 30 seconds. If not, it would take 10 minutes. And my code would work 99% of the time.
Thank you. I am 18 years old learning data science and also have a LinkedIn and GitHub account, and now I am done with Python basics. Do you think I can get job at 19-year-old? Mahendra Chaudhary says, that line was from the song name Counting Stars.
Oh, Counting Stars. Yeah, I know the song. I know the song. It would be like in a basement. But it's a good song. I definitely can't sing it. So yeah, you are 18 years old trying to learn data science. We are 9 years difference. I'm 27 years old.
Siddhant Oda says, well, it's possible to get a job in 1 year with Python.
I don't think so. Unless you have a good circle, I don't think so. So I think you're really too young. So I would suggest you to, once you're done with Python, just try to learn some static language. And if you want to really get a job, you can work in those projects where people get some projects from people from US and UK. They can just, you can work in that team. You will be getting paid in dollars or euros so that you can get some experience. But I don't think any professional company would hire you because you lack experience. But I'm not trying to defame you, but that's a good thing that you're confident. You're learning data science. You have a LinkedIn, you have a GitHub, you're done with Python basics, but I don't think that's enough. So Manthan, you have 62 points. And yeah, you can, Mahinder, you can visit my site. You can visit my site. You can just directly go into YouTube if you don't really enjoy
Siddhant ODA
exploring.
says, I mean not just Python.
Yeah.
You should have projects and stuffs too.
So this is
I
the
mean
thing.
in 1 year it's possible to build lots of stuffs.
It is. But the game is being played in a different aspect now. So I would suggest to just get into some of those teams where they already have a lot of contacts. They get some projects from offshore, Europe, UK. I worked in those teams before. So I build website for coffee shops, mechanics, car repair shops. They don't really have websites, but they all wanted to. So what I tried finding those clients, but that didn't work for me. So what I did, I joined a particular group of people where they have a lot of contacts abroad. So what they would do is they go fetch those projects, they take some commission, and they give those projects to us.
Mahendra Chaudhary says, you will definitely get a job, but if you have that, which industry needs skill and experience of internships and also a good projects.
Mane check your, okay, you checked your my pick in portfolio. Now it looks funny. I don't know. That picture is from 2019, bro. I didn't really update that website from a long time. So yeah, just like my projects, I just do certain things and just completely forget what I am doing. I would need to take a screenshot of this component, Apex Desktop. Yeah, I think it's good to just take a screenshot.
Siddhant ODA says, jobs are easy to get TBH. Getting a white girlfriend from India is more difficult. Disappointing, boys. Really disappointing. I think I need to have an alert for that. When I say sad or disappointing, it would just pop that, just like I'm doing with respect. See, Manthan, Siddhant, Jagdeep, and including you, there should be another person. I forgot his name. You four people are the horniest people on my channel, and you always wish for, can I get a girlfriend? Jagdeep has 3 girlfriends. He once told me that he was talking to, why it doesn't work? Because I didn't add that command. So yeah, Jagdeep has 3 girlfriends. I have 0, bro, because Jagdeep has took 3. If he only has 1, the other 2 could be yours. 1 for Manthan and 1 for Siddhant. One for Swaroop as well. Both cheated, man. I am sure it was you who cheated. Mahendra Chaudhary says, you are going wild, Siddharth.
Power imbalance because of Jagdeep. Yeah, imbalance. Just 1? Dude. There is a saying, man. It's in my own language, but I don't know how to convert it to Hindi or English. I have been seeing you for like what 1 month now, and I purely doubt it. So capture screenshot, it would take the element and it would just screenshot. Okay. Title, and title would be discount. Let's say price. price ID would be Apex Desktop. Okay, I got those. So once the page is loaded, it will get all those IDs. I'm going to get these IDs from using the IP addresses from US. And then I'm going to get these affiliates from my Indian PC, so that the IP address will be different and Amazon can have a tough time whether to track me or not. So that's one case. I can have like 10 more other layers. Put Iron Man. It didn't work. Should work normally.
So 2 Iconic says,
Iconic.
damn, I am late today, B.
Yeah, you are definitely late. There were a lot of fun conversations. Thanks. Welcome to the stream, Iconic. I wanted to do that for you for a long time. But I did one good thing, which is previously it was 3 kiss, now it's only 2. Bro, please, I'm sorry.
Mahendra Chaudhary says,
No.
do you watch anime?
Not really, Mahendra. I tried watching Death Note. So most of the time I enjoy playing games. I play a lot of games, but I got a notification. Thanks for the like, Iconic. I think it's you. I just got a notification. Let me see who that is. Yeah, that's fine. So whoever came new to my channel, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Oh, it's almost 12. It's almost 12. Which games do you play? I play PUBG on my mobile, and I play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege, and Cities Skylines. Also PUBG PC. So these are the games I have. I'm just trying to load. I'll also load Steam. I'm a heavy PC gamer, by the way. I was a gamer first, then programmer next. Things are loading. So I play all these
says,
things.
it's irony that you can't code with us disturbing. And if you don't YouTube, then what's the point of building projects for YouTube, lol.
So there is a different take on this, Siddhant. Yes, I can finish the project in 3 to 4 days if I don't code, if I don't stream, but I wouldn't be sleeping happily. Trust me. I think you guys might think that I'm lying, but when I stop my stream, I would just go to sleep in a happy mood. So it just gives me happiness. That's definitely not a right moment to use it, but it's okay. I was trying to talk something emotional, and this guy will like Spider-Man.
So 2 Iconic says, I am thinking to make a server for storing stuff like cloud and sharing files over internet with my friends.
There are a lot of tools which already do the same, but maybe you add some different sauce to it. Not exactly Nextcloud. There are a lot of stuff. I use file browser, by the way. Someone disliked my stream. From scratch though. So basically TCP, UDP, convert, transfer bytes, encode it so that you know that, okay, this is where the file starts and this is where the file ends. Jagdeep, what happened to you? I can understand Manthan is new to the channel, so he's trying to have some fun. But Jagdeep, Paji, I don't know any other words other than Paji in Punjabi. Kitte kar rahe hain? Something. Yeah, Nextcloud works fine, but if all you want to is just access your files, then file browser is a lot better than Nextcloud. Yeah, score things from C++ and then API through Python frontend. Why would you use Python, man? And frontend with HTML, JS. Yeah, for frontend, those are the only options we have. I don't think I have a command AAE. So, Mahendra, this is the games I play in EA. I'm a big Battlefield fan. I just love these games. I almost buy every Battlefield game. And then what is this? This is the Steam's library. Most of games are story mode, but this is the one I play. I just played recently. And then Far Cry, I enjoy this game. PUBG and Rainbow Six Siege. I have 1,000 hours. Python calls easy to code APIs. True. I don't mind you using them. I sadly got the Mac. Otherwise, I would play together. We would play together. But you have a Mac Mini, I guess. Was that you who shared the Mac Mini? I recall. I don't know if it's you or someone else.
Mahendra Chaudhary says, yeah. Every programmer is a gamer from inside.
Yeah, true. I started with, there is a game called, I don't know if you guys know it, Delta Force. I don't think dual boot is that easy in Mac. It is easy, but I don't think that's stable because they have a lot of encryption on the storage. I heard of it. I never really owned a Mac device. I'm just poor Siddhant. Please. Dual boot won't work. Yeah, you can use a VM, but again, that's. Imagine you are playing a game in a VM. And that too multiplayer game. So this is the progress I made from here to here. Just these 3 functions. I didn't really test them, and I just ran this command just one time. Yeah, I just so this is what I did today. Just see, I just executed the environment and then just run my script one time. I didn't even run the script another time. That's what I made the progress today. I thought to stream. Are you guys seeing a gap under the leaderboard? I think I need to bring that thing a little bit down. So just thanks for the like again. Where's my mouse? Where is my mouse? I enjoyed today. The stream was fun. 1 second, guys. I'm just bringing this a little bit down. And I think that's fine. I think this is fine now. Okay. Bro, do you ever use OpenAI Whisper? Yes, I do. I have used it for the local consumption. I didn't really pay for the cloud version. Yes, Siddhan knows about it. Yes, I'm just trying to transcribe the entire video and then feed it to AI batch by batch. I actually have a problem with that, Siddhant. I don't think the project is completely done. It will work in JS? No, it's specifically made in Python, and it will work fine in Python only. So if you have a, are you trying to run it in browser? Don't tell me you're trying to run it in browser. I'm sure a person like you would definitely want to try it in browser. That's not possible, Jagdeep. There are lightweight models which are supposed to be executed in browser, but they would need a lot of RAM. Yes, in order. So Siddhant, I don't think that's what he wants to do. I don't think he wants to trigger that using a Node.js thread to just call Python to do the open whisper. But I think in JavaScript browser definitely you can do that, 100%. I would just but you cannot just directly import into the JavaScript. That was not supported officially. So you have to run a Python script. Just command Python space transcribe this, give the path, it would just return the JSON, and then just pull that JSON into JavaScript. That's the only possible way. What a notification. It's 12:08 actually. So I need another server to run to Python. No. That's not how you do it. So let me explain 1 second. So this is your JavaScript main code, the server. It would just use the OS, or what is the package? I think it's called OS package. OS, it is the operating system module. So what would you just write the command whatever you used in order to turn on the Python command. You don't have to maintain another Python server. It would just be a simple Python function. So basically I can show it to you 1 second. So I used Golang, but you can just use any other language. Just something like this. So this is my Golang code. So this is how I turn on Python editor. How I would do it, I will just use Python space the path -v. These are the arguments I gave, and it would just do that. And the output will be saved, and that output will be fetched after this execution is completed. I think that's the better way to do it. If there are better ways, I guess, but that would involve a lot more complication. And if this does your job, then why to do that hard work? Okay, guys, it's 12:10. I'll continue this tomorrow. Hopefully, I make some decent progress tomorrow. I will try to start my stream early. I started at what 10:30, and I couldn't really do anything. All right, if you find it entertaining, then yeah, use it. Do you guys want me to try those? So how about this?
So 2 Iconic says, GNM8.
Thank you, Iconic. So again, how about this? If you guys are okay, let's build more commands like Spider-Man, some more other commands while doing the live stream.
Manthandarji says, really enjoyed stream, bro.
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, that's the thing. I would like to add more emojis. So when should I start streaming? So should I do it tomorrow? Are you guys available tomorrow? I can. It would only take an hour max. I will just assign GIFs for you guys. Let's say Iconic just find a better GIF for Spider-Man, or I can just tell Jagdeep to just find a better GIF for Captain America. You guys can find those GIFs, send it to my Discord or Instagram some way. I can just use it. Are you guys okay tomorrow? So let's see the time difference.
Siddhanto DA says, open source your speak command and we can add more and more. You just take PR.
So it's not really added through code. Just like, the speak command and the Golang is just a controller. Varna stream koi nahi dekhega. Yeah, that's true. I don't really want to add too many GIFs. It would bring a lot of cluster. That's the now I recall, that's the thing, I started working on those. But it's fine if people are mature enough. They are going to entertain like 1 or 2 days, and then they would give that chance to the new viewers. Speak command is fine. I don't mind people using speak command. But Jagdeep, you are the one who spam like 5 to 6 times, and you are not a new viewer to the channel. Thanks for the like. Thank you for the like. Jagdeep is saying that people will spam, but he was the one who spammed Spider-Man.
Siddhanto DA says, oh yeah, you can expose some API too. We will hit the API with command and GIF.
But I don't want you guys to go away from the YouTube in order to trigger the API. See? You are the one. Why was that triggered? So I don't want you guys to just, go out of YouTube, make an API call and come back. I don't want that to be a good thing. Iconic is still here. I thought he left after the good night message. So what is the time now? Let's see. London, Chattanooga. Kolkata is 9. It will be too late for me in order to start the stream here. So how about if I start my stream at 9 a.m. That means it would be 7-ish for you guys. Oh, if I sit like this, it's going to be 12:30. We'll plan something. Instead of just plain out GIFs, we can put something else. So just like Spider-Man, I can put more GIFs without any audio. So that would work fine. But again, this would take a lot of toll on my machine. I need to... Dude, you are the one who said people are going to spam. It would be understandable if Manthan was doing that because he's new to the channel, he's trying to have some fun. But you are here for almost 2 to 3 months and you're spamming Spider-Man. No man, use GIF with sounds. Alright people, so sorry, I have to go. It's 12:15. I have to brush, drink some water, and then just go to sleep. So
Manthandarji says, what do you mean by it?
what do I mean by it is means, so if you're new to the channel, so I understand you're trying to have some fun, but soon after you would be getting bored of it. Other than speak command, maybe put command, you wouldn't really spam Spider-Man a few times, because that's how humans are. They get bored easily. So no offense, it's just that's how people are. I have been streaming for years, and I know that some people would spam a lot on initial days, and after that they would just forget that there is a command as Spider-Man. So Jagdeep used to spam the same command before, but he started spamming again. Maybe his interest would go down and then go up. And Siddharth loves this frog command. See? All right, people, have a good day. Enjoy your day. We will meet you again tomorrow, same time. So the problem is, if I can start my stream early, but you guys would be sleeping at that time, and I can't stay more than 12 or 1
Siddhant
because that
ODA
would cause me
says,
issues.
good night BOI.
Look at the spam. Everything is being executed at the same time. All right, people, in order to stop the spam, I can assign points.
Manthandarji says, good night brother.
Iconic, I'm going to end your misery. I'm going to stop the stream. All right, thank you so much, new people as well as old people. Thanks for joining. I'll be having a good sleep tonight. It's worth it to stream. I thought not to stream today, but it was a good decision to stream. Thank you guys. See you again.